what do you do after taking profit? Try to re-enter again, then why quit your position? See, in a bull market, the person who holds for the longest period of time will make the most amount of money. When you get dips like we got yesterday afternoon, you simply add to your core position. But when that 200 point, 100 point move on the Nifty or on Bank Nifty happens, you can't tell, because government is having good momentum. Each time you get news flow, the market tends to rally higher, and the declines are now becoming shallower. Earlier, you used to fall much harder, and the bounce backs took time. But if you see yesterday's decline, the Bank Nifty still closed higher. So no point taking cute trades right now. One day we will cross 12,100. So that way, early morning dip, if you get any, should be good buying opportunity. See, BPCL, while the news is out, etc., I think it's still breaking out to fresh highs. Pricing, etc., needs to be still worked out. I think divestment is a theme which should pick up. So BPCL is a buy with a stop of 538, target of 560. RBL is way off its 200-day moving average, which is about 520. So even a pullback rally can take it a distance. So this is a buy with a stop of 340, target of 355. Sun Pharma is a buy with a stop of 444, target of 472. Recently, most of these pharma stocks are getting past their 200-day moving averages. Dabur is a buy with a stop of 465, target of 490. And PVR, which is corrected quite a bit, that can be bought with a stop of 1750, target of 1810.
Well, we have been trying to buy every day and say we should be buying on dips, on a breakout. Now what's happening, Lata, is that the trading range is breaking on the upside. For years altogether, I have respected this breakout. Sometimes it fails. It doesn't mean it's infallible. But the 12,000 level is being broken on the upside after 15-day trading range. We want to respect it and be long. So whether you get a dip or whether you get a breakout in the morning, a gap up, it doesn't matter. You should be long. And this is a positional trade. Your stops are 11,900, and do it on a closing basis, because today is weekly expiry. Anything can go wrong during the day. So if there's a gap up, don't worry, just go long. There's a breakout that's happening in the front. That may not work out today, it will work out tomorrow. Well, it's a mixed stock list. Given the fact that today is weekly expiry, there are some stocks that are apparently reaching levels where some visible distribution is happening. So Ashok Leyland is one of the better stocks to buy into. Consider buying Ashok Leyland, and there is a theme there. That theme is that after a big rally, the stock consolidated, and that consolidation is breaking on the upside. You know, the stocks we are discussing today for buying are positional buys. I don't know how much intraday we will get. There could be a lot of choppiness. BHEL is another buy. Don't miss it. It's at the rock bottom, and with all the news that BHEL cannot ever revive, I think this is the perfect time to go long. It's found strong support at current levels, so it's a very low risk buy. I have two intraday short sales. Remember, they are always intraday. Motherson Sumi, I'm downbeat on Motherson Sumi. I think the rally that we are seeing is a bear market rally and in an ongoing downtrend. And M&M, which is disappointing. If you see the chart, it's been falling regularly while the Nifty was rising. So two intraday shorts, but as usual, focus on the long positions for taking positional trades.
What has happened in the last 2-3 days is that we have not had a very convincing move about 12,020. I think once that happens, a test of all-time highs of 12,100 and then a breakout also could be possible. So we take it step by step. We have been kind of slightly overbought because we've had a good rally from sub 11,000 levels, and now we are close to about 12,000 levels. So I think that's where some kind of profit booking or supply pressure emerges higher levels, but the structure remains strong. So as long as 11,945 doesn't break, maintain long positions. So I have 3 buys and a sell. The first one is a buy on BPCL. It's managed to finally close about the 540 mark. So keep a stop at 533. Look for targets of 570. NCC is a buy. Keep a stop at 59. Look for targets of around 65. The solitary sell. The third buy is a buy on IRB Infra. Buy with a stop at 74 and look for targets of 80. And the solitary sell call is in Kotak Bank. It's been doing well, but the intraday chart structure is mildly on the negative side, could give a pullback. So sell with a stop at 1611, look for targets of 1575.